event like this, for me, is important because you're bringing the community together and you're getting a sharing of thoughts.
So much is changing in technology nowadays. You always have to be on top of your game. I always take 2 days off to come and see what's new and upskill myself.
Some great keynotes, great sessions, and great to speak to so many enthusiastic HR people.
This is just the place for me to hear all that information all in one place.
There's so much to learn from the exhibitors and the people that come to learn as well.
It's just the one place where you can immerse yourself.
There's a lot to see. There's a lot of ideas you can take back to the office where you definitely get a return on that investment. You get to meet a lot of the business leaders in the industry. A lot of the topics that they talk about is great.
We need to come together even more to learn from others, and that's sort of hard to do through the internet, but it's excellent to do in places like this.
There's something really powerful in bringing together different people from different organisations, different industries to have conversation, and there's something that gets sparked when we have that.
It's a great place for the industry to come together, to celebrate each other, to connect, to take a moment out and then just have some fun as well as do the serious business.
Events like this are very, very important.
It's a really great day out.
Once you're here, everyone's really friendly, helpful, and yeah, having a nice time.
And if you're an HR tech, come here. You're going to meet everybody that you need to meet.